What about you? Welcome to How to Improve the Perfect Lawn. You might not have the perfect lawn, or your own lawn might not be so great. If you follow these simple steps from this video, it'll help you transform a poor lawn into something to be proud of. Let's go. The first step is aeration, where we'll pull these plugs out of the lawn. One of the most effective ways to improve your lawn is aeration. This allows water and air down into the roots. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to smash the like button. If you have any questions or comments about the stuff that I'm covering, always leave me a question down below. Next up, we have scarification, or if you're in America, you might know it as dethatching. Scarification or dethatching pulls out dead or decaying material from your lawn. Now that we have all the debris lifted off the lawn, scarification is perfect as it creates lines in the soil and it gives us somewhere safe to put the seed into. So our next step is to seed the lawn. Today we're using a mixture of peat-free compost and a high quality topsoil. As the lawn's quite small, I'm just spreading it directly from the bag. You don't need any fancy tools for this. Whenever you're seeding a lawn, the most important thing is good soil to seed contact. A pro tip for you, if you're wanting to level your lawn, don't use compost, as compost breaks down and it'll throw your levels off. It's important to make sure that the material's well raked in and you're not smothering the grass. These big rakes are perfect for this task. I'll leave an affiliated link down in the video description. You can do the entire garden with a rake, however it can be a bit slower. We use this tool, it's called a drag mat, and it is just that, it literally drags the material in. I have another video where I made a homemade drag mat for less than £40. I'll leave a link to that video in the video description. The video is called An Easy Way to Level Your Lawn with Everything That You Need. We have two important tasks left. Fertilising the lawn with a pre-seeder fertiliser. This gives your seed the best possible start against weeds and diseases. Our next step is to apply seaweed to the lawn. We'll do this as it helps with growth hormones and it improves the soil. If you're carrying out a job like this on your own lawn, make sure that you water the lawn every day for the next 6 to 8 weeks if there's no rain present. Leave it a few weeks before you cut the grass and cut on a high setting the first time.